Hey everybody, this is the Crazy Canuck from the Grand Solar Minimum Crazy Canuck channel here in Saskatchewan, Canada on a beautiful morning. Just a quick video and a call for help on this one. About 2016, 2017, I noticed there was a flip in soil energy. It's been years and I have not found anyone that has observed the same thing. It's there, but they're not looking for it, they're not talking about it, they have no clue why it's happening. But I'll show you what I mean. This is a field, one of my neighbors. There's a organic crop on the left hand side and a conventional crop on the right hand side. And actually the left hand side isn't a crop, it's summer fall this year, so this will be a plow down. But it's a really good location where you can do a side by side and explain what I'm talking about. So about 10 years ago, maybe a little longer, I learned about bricks and EC, and every case back then, an organic field was always lower in EC than a conventional field. And mostly this was due to the salts and the fertilizers and the pesticides and everything else that drove this EC up. So, and of course the way you check that is after a rain, you come out, you check the soil. If the EC goes down, it's salt driven. If EC goes up, it's biology driven energy in the soil. So we're going to take a look at this side by side, take a look at the energy. So I've got my probe here. So we'll just put her in the ground, take a reading. So here we've got 0.8 or 800, which is high considering most organic fields a few years ago were sitting in that 500 to 550 range. Now let's step over a couple feet and we'll take a measurement in the conventional side. And we're at 0.09. We'll try and get a little bit better spot. It's a little dry out here, so you don't get the higher readings in the first place, but like this is only a couple feet difference. So obviously from the measurement, the organic side is way higher than the conventional side. Now, a couple years ago, I ran into Dr. Jill Clapperton, who's a supposed soil scientist, and I asked her why would the energy flip between organic and conventional. Her ridiculous answer was that the probe is off. So that would mean that she believes that this can tell the difference between an organic and a conventional crop or field. So science failed. So here's my call to help, and this is going to go out to everyone. David Dubine, Adapt 2030, Christian over at Ice Age Farmer, Diamond at Oppenheimer Ranch. Anyone out there that has seen this or can explain it, contact me. I have my own theories, but considering it started at the exact same time that this shift into the Grand Solar Minimum started, I think there's a connection. Everything is energy. This shift is indicative of something very big and something we should be paying attention to. So the call goes out for help, and hopefully somebody on this planet other than myself has seen this and can give an explanation. So that's it for this short video. And hopefully I'm not the only one in the whole planet that's seen this. And I've tested fields over the last few years in a lot of places, and it's all the same. So that's it for this. Like if you like, subscribe if you haven't. Spread the word. Let's grow some food and get through this Grand Solar Minimum.